Yeah, that's it now.
Is that it? Is that
Yeah, so been using the store for a few months now, and it was money well worth spent because I use it all the time when I'm sitting in my shed. See, wobble, see? So you can lean around in it, lean around. Of course, it's not the sort of thing you can sit on for hours and hours. If you're working in your shed, your garage, or if you're out now, you're peeling some vegetables in the garden, it's quite handy for things like that. Or if you're cutting someone's hair and you want to cut it in the garden or somewhere else and they need a seat, it's quite good for that. Yeah, no issues, no problems. Just what I wanted. That's all I wanted really. There's just a stool for my for when I'm in the shed, and it does the job. And of course, you can adjust it as well. And that's fully extended. That is. To extend it, you press the button. There's a button. See it right there. There you go.